Hello, my algebra muffins. I just wanted to kind of pop on here for a video reminder of the optional tasks that we have for the rest of this week and kind of going into next week. So just as a reminder, week 2 on the website, you're able to work on the Unit 1 through 6 Google Forms. I did have to update a couple of the answers, so just be aware that some of your responses initially are different. A few of you had commented. Please use that Google Doc that's on the main page of the website. That way I can see it faster. Other teachers have access to that too, as well as the Google Forms, so we're able to update them collaboratively. Also, there's some review notes. Under week 2, there's some notes, the hyperdocs, so you can go through and kind of click through them, look over your notes at home. All of those are great options. You can also still work on previous assignments, so that includes missing work, math-based reviews, and eCart cumulative review. Those last two are optional tasks, but the first one can still be made up. So I'll be working on grades this weekend. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and say hi, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. And next week we're going to do a couple of online sessions together on Monday and Wednesday. So just make sure to, if you're interested in coming to those, they're optional, but I like them and I like talking with all of you all. So anyway, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.